Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to Beautiful MV by BTS. Yeah, it is a really early song of theirs. It was released in 2013. You mean debut days of theirs. I mean, they're going to be really young. And I saw that it does not have any subtitles, so I'm just going to see how it is done and how the voices are and what the song is. But it is a nice title, Beautiful, so there must be something nice. So let's start reacting to this. Okay, let's start. There are 4 people. I think there's Jimin, Hasake, Tae, and I think that's Jungkook. Oh man, they're so young in that. Okay, I'll start the song now. Okay, guitar. There's a girl also. Oh, they're so cute. I mean, they're so young, and then there's a girl coming. Always there's a girl. Okay, it is really nice. The guitar voice, the guitar. I just love guitar songs, so it's already I'm going to. Okay, so I think Jungkook is going first. All the guys were after her most probably. It's like that. Let's see. Okay. The girl is just doing whatever she wants to do, and then she's just walking off. And these guys are looking so awkward. Let's see more. Okay, they're trying so hard. Oh my god, that was Jungkook's voice, man. Okay. 네가 남친이 없는 거 미뤄봤을 때 맘에 드는 절벽 나 같은 평범남은 네가 만든 기준의 결격서 친구랑 가면 네 앞에서 내 The back, those guys are doing what? This like they're waiting for the turn or something. First Jungkook has started. I think he's okay, the girl is pretty lucky. Let's see more. Okay, let's see more. He's full on doing that flirting. Okay. The girl is also liking it. Oh my god, these guys. What is this? Jungkook's voice is pretty nice. He's like rapping right now. Oh what? He's actually singing. But it's kind of fast so. Okay, I'm really liking this, man. And Tae is looking like, what is he doing in the back? What are they doing in the back? Jungkook is doing quite well. He's interacting with her, and then he's just doing that to the camera also. So he's doing pretty well. Others are waiting for their turn most probably. They can't just hang out, not sing. Okay. Oh my god, they're like, Tae was trying to go there. I think it was his turn next, but Jimin was like, no, I'm going to do it first. Okay, let's see. Oh, I was right. And suddenly he's just like, Jungkook is gone now, and now I'm going to do the thing, flirting. Okay. They're all serenading her. Okay, I think. Let's see. Just love this, man. I mean, Jungkook was quite a bit, but Jimin is pretty. His voice, man. Okay. Oh, Jungkook is back. Everybody in the back home is like, wait, your turn will come again. Okay. This is so cute. Whoa, this song is so good. Why have I not heard this before? This is so good. Really. Even though it is like totally early time, but this is so nice. I mean, Jungkook is full on serenading, and the girl is also liking it. Oh, now Hobie's turn is there. Now his turn is there. Now it's going to be fire. Let's see. He's much more assertive. What is Tay doing in the back? Did you see that? He did that. Okay. What is he doing? He's so cute, man. He's waiting for his turn, trying hard. He's still doing that. Nice. I'm liking Oscar Rock. They're inside a shop or something. What is she buying suddenly? What? Okay, it doesn't make sense, but okay. What? Oh my god, he's still doing that in the back. And Jimin is holding something and is like after her. Is it a bag? He's going to give that to her or something. Everybody is trying so hard to get her attention, man. And then Hosuke is full on right now, and they're all gonna get their pieces, I think. Nice. One-sided love. I understood that much, but what is this about? They're all doing it right now, but who is the girl going to choose? I'm really excited to know that. It's because in War of Hormones the girl chose Tay, but here I don't think she's even going to get the time to sing the way it's happening. Okay, he's still doing that, Tay. And in the end, did you hear in the back the Jimin was like, he's still doing that. This is so. Tay is doing that from the start since they entered that shop, and now also is doing the same thing. Oh my god, he's waiting. He wants to do it right now. He wants to sing now. Oh god. He wants to sing now. I mean, poor guy is like waiting, just stop, let me sing. He wants to serenade her. He's getting so impatient now. Okay, they're all laughing at him. Yeah, JK's on roll. Okay, Tay suddenly got the time. Oh, his voice, nice. Oh, the end, the voices, man, Tay suddenly got the chance and he just killed it in just 2 lines. He killed it. I'm really waiting what is going to happen now with me. But the thing is, in all of this, everybody serenaded her well. I mean, they were interacting with her, looking at her, but Tay is just looking at the camera. Don't look at the camera, man. Look at the girl too. Then only she'll feel the connection. Come on, the eye contact is necessary. I don't know. Maybe I think so. See, he's just playing with the camera. Okay, the girl. Oh, this is so cute, man. I think now they're like, camera's going to go like that, and she's finally going to choose who she's going to. I think she's going to choose JK because he was the one who did the most, or maybe it's Hosuke, because Jimin and Tay didn't get much lines, but they killed it too. But I don't know. Definitely not Tay though, because he was not even looking at her. Come on, but the voice was great. Oh my god, this is so good, so cute. The girl is like, wait, oh, everybody's like, please choose me, please choose me. Oh, she's one lucky girl. Oh, suddenly take, oh man, no, you should rather choose that. He just hugged her, okay, and she doesn't look happy. It's going to be nobody, isn't it? Oh, Hosuke was like, why did you do that? I had a chance. Oh my god, this is good. He's like, why? All of them, my god. Not even one of them got the girl. I was so sure she was gonna choose someone because the voices, the vocals are crazy, man, crazy. And I love the music also. But it was unexpected but really funny. Okay. So if you like my reaction to it, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section.